equals does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. Home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo IdeaPad 530s. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your home, carry out a free diagnosis and send you a quote before carrying out any repairs. No phone calls, no travel required. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Lenovo IdeaPad 530s is experiencing battery issues, it may not hold a charge or could be draining quickly. This can happen due to age, wear and tear, or a faulty battery. If left unaddressed, it can lead to further complications, including complete device failure. To perform this repair, you will need a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, and a replacement battery specifically for the Lenovo IdeaPad 530s. Begin by ensuring the device is powered off and unplugged. Use the plastic opening tool to gently pry open the back cover, taking care not to damage the clips. Once open, locate the battery, which is typically secured by several screws. Carefully remove these screws with the Phillips screwdriver, ensuring you keep them safe for reassembly. Disconnect the battery cable by gently pulling it from the motherboard. Now, take your new battery and connect it to the motherboard, ensuring a snug fit. Replace the screws to secure the battery in place, being cautious not to over-tighten them, as this could damage the device. After securing the battery, carefully reattach the back cover, ensuring all clips are properly aligned. If at this point it feels too complex, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your home and return it fully repaired. To prevent future battery issues, consider avoiding extreme temperatures and regularly calibrating your battery by fully charging and discharging it. If you don't want to risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect it, repair it and deliver it back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. Home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.